In the heart of Ohio, a healthcare revolution is unfolding that merges structural alignment with biological repair. For millions suffering from chronic joint pain, the standard of care has often been limited to temporary fixes. But what happens when we combine the precision of chiropractic care with the power of stem cell therapy? The result is a comprehensive approach to maximizing health and regenerating joints from the inside out. Stem cell therapy provides the fundamental building blocks for tissue repair, utilizing your body's own healing potential. These multipotent cells can differentiate into ligaments, tendons, and bone, directly addressing tissue damage at the source. Mesenchymal stem cells are nature's master repair kits, capable of rebuilding the very foundation of your joints. However, for these cells to thrive, they need the right environment, and that is where chiropractic care becomes essential. A misaligned joint creates mechanical stress and chronic inflammation, which can impair the effectiveness of regenerative treatments. By restoring proper alignment, chiropractic care optimizes the structural niche where stem cells must do their work. Adjustments also enhance circulation, ensuring that oxygen and nutrients reach the target site to fuel the regenerative process. When inflammation is controlled, the biological building blocks of stem cells can construct new tissue without interference. Scientific studies like the 2024 MILES study from Duke University underscore the safety and potential of MSCs. The study, involving 480 participants, found that MSCs offered significant relief compared to traditional options. The researchers noted that while stem cells are powerful, addressing underlying mechanical issues is key to long-term success. Research by Pascual Garrido and colleagues showed that stem cell therapy results can be maintained for over 5 years. Integrating chiropractic care during this phase prevents the premature degeneration that occurs when structural issues are ignored. This careful, gradual reintroduction of mechanical stress ensures the highest success rate for joint regeneration. This multidisciplinary shift is helping Ohioans avoid the risks of surgery and the cycle of long-term medication. Choosing this combined path means choosing a holistic resolution rather than just symptom suppression. The Journal of Chiropractic Medicine reports that spinal adjustments can decrease systemic inflammation significantly. When inflammation is controlled, the biological building blocks of stem cells can construct new tissue without interference. This priming of the body ensures that the resources needed for cellular repair reach the injection site efficiently. Regenerative specialists often find that stem cell injections can strengthen the very ligaments that chiropractic care seeks to align. Chiropractic care then helps offload structural stress, allowing the biological repair to settle without disruption. We are moving toward a future where we don't just manage pain, we fix the underlying biological and structural causes. This synergy between cellular raw material and mechanical software is the new gold standard for joint health. Take the case of patients who were once told their only option was joint replacement. Through this integrated approach, they have found a middle path to recovery and long-term wellness. Right here in Worthington, we see the transformation every day, people reclaiming their lives from chronic pain. Columbus is becoming a hub for this dual modality approach, leading the way in regenerative medicine. Why wait for the degeneration to get worse? The best time to intervene is when the body still has the capacity to heal. Our multidisciplinary teams combine medical expertise with structural precision for a seamless patient experience. Experience the future of healthcare where structural precision meets cellular innovation for your best life. Are you ready to maximize your health and reclaim your mobility through joint regeneration? Contact Capital City Regenerative Medicine at 614-436-3870. Schedule your free stem cell examination today and take the first step toward a pain-free future. Call us at 614-436-3870 to begin your journey back to health.